Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of a painting that I did today, Dandelion Fairy Dance, using my non-dominant hand. I had recently put out a poll for my Patreon members to choose one of my paintings that I had done in the past to do with my non-dominant hand. So this is the one that won with an overwhelming number of votes. I'm not quite sure why. Maybe they wanted to see if I could do funny little figures with my non-dominant hand, but I think that this was a great experience to kind of just work outside of my natural box and kind of see what skills I have with my non-dominant hand and just kind of loosen up my grip on my paintbrush. So I hope you can use this video to inspire yourself to jump outside of your normal painting or artistic box. And if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this video, I do have that available for you on my YouTube channel, which is Michelle the Painter. I hope you enjoy. Well, that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you can be inspired to kind of be creative outside of your normal creative box. And I always look forward to painting with you again sometime. Bye.